Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Angelica Moreno, and this is my communicative task number 3. I'm going to tell about the Millennium Hilton, New York Downtown Hotel. This hotel has 4 stars and is located in the city of New York in the United States. The hotel has 569 rooms. Among these there are single rooms that cost $636,640 per night, and the deluxe room that costs $1,022,339 per night. In the hotel, you will find things like a restaurant, a coffee shop, room service, front desk service, indoor pool, and a spa. The hotel doesn't have laundry service and doesn't have parking. On the other hand, inside the rooms we can find a private bathroom, a TV, a double bed, and a mirror. Check-in is at 4 p.m. and check-out at, in my personal opinion, it is a very complete hotel. I liked it a lot. It's a very well located. Everything is very tired and I would recommend it. The only things not so good are the prices, since they are a little expensive. Okay, teacher. Bye.